Lisle's here. Hey guys, thought today we'd check out another Lisle tool. These are their relay pulling pliers. They're for those little electrical relays that have become, ubiquitous under the hood or in the fuse box of cars. Those fuses and relays are often jammed in really close together, so this tool has long, thin jaws with little hooks on the end to hook onto the relay, and then you just yank on it. Ugh, it just yanks it right out of there. Pretty nifty. These work great for extracting all sorts of electrical modules. Anytime I scrap a car, I yank all of the relays out and throw them into this bin, and this tool makes quick work of it. Here's an old metal horn relay, grabs it no problem. It'll grab most relays. This guy's a little too tall for the pliers to hook onto the whole thing, but if you grab it at the seam, it'll be fine. What else we got here? Obviously it's not going to fit this gigantic starter relay, but any small relays or flasher modules are no problem. As far as negatives, because these pliers are so long, you need a straight shot into the fuse box if you want to hook onto anything. This is fine for boxes that are out in the open under the hood. See, these even work on those maxi fuse plug-in things, or whatever they're called. I got a whole nother bin full of pulled fuses, too. But if you're working under the dash of a car, you might not have enough room to fit this guy in there. The pliers do have a kinda angle of the dangle going on, and that offset can help in certain situations, but even here it's really tight to get in there with them. I did find a 90-degree version, but it's made by OTC. Unlike the Lisle, where the jaws are bareback, the OTC has rubbers, so it more or less grips the sides of the relay. It's also quite a bit more expensive at over $30. The Lisle is cheaper at $20. I'm tempted to pick up another pair of Lisles and just bend them at 90 degrees. They're just stamped steel, so the handles should bend pretty easy. But then I'll have the Lisle fanboy mafia coming after me again. Whatever, bring it on. I'll bend them if I want to. I'll bend them 2 times and say Lisle instead of Lisle. What are you going to do about it? Anyway, be sure you're subscribed for more content like this, and also content completely different from this. Thanks everyone for watching. See you later. Bye.